Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your LinkedIn connection. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Protecting your professional network and maintaining privacy on LinkedIn is crucial in today's digital landscape. Whether you're trying to prevent competitor from poaching your clients or keep your job search under wraps, hiding your LinkedIn connection can be a game changer. But how exactly do you do it? In this video, I will show you how to do it. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our LinkedIn. Now we can go to the settings. We tap on the up left corner here. Tap on settings. You can go to visibility, tap on visibility, and you can just scroll down. In here, you can manage your visibility of your profile, like profile viewing option, your name and headline. You can choose private profile characteristic, private mode, your page visibility, edit your public profile in here. We can see your connection is on. If you turn this off, this setting, only you can see your connection list. Your connection can still see any mutual connection or connection will have endorsed you. So you can just turn this off so no one can see your connection except you on your LinkedIn profile. It's very simple, right? So that is how to hide your connection on LinkedIn profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!